Good afternoon. On behalf of the Natrona County Emergency Operations Center, thank you for joining us for today's COVID-19 response news brief. Following today's presentation, we will be copying the script into the Facebook Live and YouTube Live posts. This will take us a few moments, and we appreciate your patience. We also encourage anyone joining us online to submit questions in the comments section. If we are unable to address them live on air, we will do so following this presentation or in the next news brief. Yesterday, we introduced the establishment of our donation center. Personal protective equipment for our medical and emergency personnel is running critically low. We know this community, our community, knows how to come together in times of need. These medical and emergency personnel are on the front lines of fighting this virus. They cannot stay home. If you are able to donate personal protective equipment, we are asking that you do so. The donation center is set up at the Mills Police Department, located at 4800 West Yellowstone, from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. Please call 307-439-1248 if you have any questions or concerns. Right now, we are asking that our community donate masks and sanitizer to donating supplies. You are making a massive difference. If you are a business owner and may be able to offer help during this ever-evolving situation, please call the Natrona County Emergency Operations Center at 307-233-6610. We have one update on behalf of the Casper Police Department. The Casper Police Department is opening up VIN inspections by appointment only starting tomorrow, March 25th. Strict health and safety guidelines will be adhered to. To make an appointment, please call 235-8469. Full details will be available momentarily on the Casper Police Department Facebook page. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm Stephen Friel, City of Casper Mayor. In light of the order issued by Governor Gordon and the Natrona County Public Health Officer, Casper City Council is taking additional distancing precautions. Casper City Council will conduct the business of the public with the help of technology. We will conduct our meetings via GoToMeeting. This will all be streamed on YouTube Live as well as cable channel 192. This means not every council member has to attend council meetings in person. We will begin this new way of meetings with tonight's work session. Each council member has been supplied with the technology to hear the information being presented, see the presentations, and ask questions and participate in the discussion. As the mayor, I will be in the council meeting room conducting the meeting from there. One other council member will also be in the council meeting room for the meeting. Casper citizens will be able to watch the meeting on YouTube or cable as usual. While public comments are not taken during the actual work sessions, Council has welcomed any and all communications from their citizens through other means and continues to do so. You can always contact us at councilcomments@casperwy.gov. Council is also encouraging our community to purchase only what they need for a short period. By not overbuying, the community is helping grocery stores restock needed items and keep everyone in the community supplied. To make it convenient, the stores are providing pickup and delivery services. We are pulling together a team of volunteers and working with grocery stores to have a program to assist elderly and those in need in our community. I thank you for understanding as we all try to navigate safely through the current circumstances. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Haley Bloom, and I'm the Public Information Officer for the Casper Natrona County Health Department. Thank you for joining us today and for your assistance in providing and disseminating up-to-date factual information surrounding coronavirus, otherwise known as COVID-19. Yesterday evening at approximately 8:30 p.m., the Casper-Natrona County Health Department received confirmation from the Wyoming Department of Health Public Health Laboratory of an additional positive case of COVID-19 in Natrona County. This positive confirmation brings our Natrona County case count to 2. Statewide, there are currently 29 cases in the following counties: Sheridan, Laramie, Park, Fremont, Teton, Campbell, Carbon, and Natrona. This new case in Natrona County has no epidemiologic connection to the first positive case in the county that was confirmed on Friday. This means there is no traceable connection between the current Natrona County cases. The new confirmed positive case resulted from a test performed by the Casper-Natrona County Health Department. We believe this new patient contracted the virus from international travel. We have confirmed this individual has been self-quarantining since arriving back into the community. This new confirmed positive case, as well as their immediate household members, are currently self-quarantining at their home at the recommendation of health officials. With what we know through contact tracing at this time, we believe there is no immediate danger to the public in relation to this new case. Currently, the Casper-Natrona County Health Department and the Wyoming Department of Health are working on contact tracing for this individual. Contact tracing is extensive, detailed, and extremely time-intensive. It includes interviewing the positive patient, gathering travel history or possible places of exposure, and identifying and reaching out to any possible contacts as soon as possible. This process takes approximately 36 to 48 hours for each positive case. In the coming days, we will make contact with anyone who is potentially exposed and possibly at risk of illness. We want to remind the public that not everyone who is potentially exposed will become ill, but we are taking appropriate precautions to avoid the spread of illness within the community. We will be working as quickly as possible to complete this contact tracing, and will provide the community with more information as we are able. However, we remind the public that we are limited to the amount of information we can share due to federal confidentiality restraints, and these are of utmost priority to us. As of this morning, there have been 106 tests performed in Natrona County. Also, as of this morning, 70 have been processed and confirmed negative, 2 have been confirmed positive, and we are still awaiting results of those other 34 tests. Results are taking between 1 to 3 days to be returned. We are working with large medical providers within the county to coordinate shipment of tests for increased timeliness in the return of results. The Wyoming Department of Health Public Health Laboratory is currently working to increase the speed of results to communities. Since last Monday, March 16th, a 7-day period, there has been an almost 200% increase in cases within the state of Wyoming. It is growing more and more crucial by the day that we adhere to the guidelines and recommendations of social distancing, diligent personal hygiene, and other measures. If we want to see the curve flattened, we need to do our part now. While we appreciate and commend this community for making the extremely difficult, life-interrupting changes necessary, we must continue to do so. We are running out of time to make meaningful change in this situation. Now is the time to act and to take this situation seriously. The Casper-Natrona County Health Department hotline is still a resource for those who have questions, need information, or are experiencing symptoms and do not have a primary care provider. This line is still operating Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Please note that this is a Natrona County hotline, and we are unable to provide many resources or specifics to those outside of Natrona County. If you're experiencing symptoms, please call your primary care provider first. If you do not have a primary care provider, you can call the hotline at 577-9892. Again, we do not want citizens self-reporting to the emergency room. This places unnecessary burden and risk onto our medical services. If you are experiencing significant shortness of breath, please call 911. Due to an increase in call volume, if you need help with information, events, or things unrelated to symptoms, you may contact us at covid@cnchd.org. We are responding to all emails as quickly as we can. At this time, I will now take any questions anyone may have.
This concludes today's COVID-19 response press conference. On behalf of the Natrona County Emergency Operations Center, thank you for joining us. As we continue to work around the clock here in the EOC to get you the most accurate and up-to-date information in our community, we want to encourage everyone to take care of yourselves and others. As you are able, check in with your neighbors, friends, and family members. Even though we are physically apart, now is the time to come together and be there for one another. We all must take care of each other as we continue to navigate through this challenging time. We know that this community is capable of getting through this, but we will have to do it together. Please continue to be mindful of others in all that you do or choose not to do. Please stay safe and keep your family safe. Thank you.